the most common value in a collection of numbers. Arithmetic mean is the total of the sum of all the values in a collection of numbers divided by the number of numbers in a collection. The mean average of a data set is found by adding all the numbers in the data set and then dividing the number with the values in the set. So basically, mean is the average that you find out by using the sum of the numbers by the number of items or the number of observations in the given data set. Okay, so here's an example for us. But before we get into the example, let me tell you the different formulas that we use in a mean. So there are two different methods in which we solve a mean. So the first one, which is called as direct method. Okay, so in this direct method, we have the formula where mean is denoted as x bar and which tells us sigma x by n. Okay, so here it can also be called as sum of observations divided by number of observations. Okay, the second one is indirect method. So in indirect method, our formula changes to a plus sigma d by n. Okay, so here a is assumed mean and n is the same, which is number of observations, and when it comes to d you use a shorter formula which is x minus a. We'll get into the formula in much detail. So let's go ahead with the problem. From the following marks obtained by 6 students, compute arithmetic mean by direct method and indirect method. So we have these numbers given to us. Okay, so these are the different marks obtained by 6 students. So when they are telling 6 students, here are n equal to 6, n equal to number of students. Okay, now when you want to solve your problem using direct method, your formula for direct method is sigma x by n, which is sum of observations by number of observations. So here let's add up all our observations. Plus 48 plus 22. Okay, and this divided by here how many number of observations? 6. So here you get the total, which is 299 divided by 6, which gives you an answer which is 49.8. Because it is marks, we use the measure as marks. Okay, this similarly, when you want to solve in indirect method, your formula changes to x bar equal to a plus sigma d by n. So now let's find out each of these values. So firstly, let me put down all the marks here. Okay, so marks, I will be denoting it as x. So I have the marks as 56, 75, 34, 64, 48 and 22. Okay, now as I already told you that d equal to x minus a. So this a, we can assume any number from x column. Okay, I would suggest you to take the lowest number because it will give you easy calculation. So let me assume my a to be 22, which is the smallest number of all. First value becomes 56 minus 22. Here 75 minus 22, 34 minus 22, 64 minus 22, 48 minus 22 and 22 minus 22. Okay, so we shall calculate all of these values. Okay, so we shall calculate all of these values and write it down. So here if you notice, I have calculated all of these values. So let's put it as sigma d equal to 167, which is the total of these values. Okay, sigma is nothing but it is the sum of that particular column. Now that we have a value and sigma d value and also n value, we will be writing the substitution part into the formula. So x equal to a plus sigma d by n, which is 22 plus sigma d value, which is 167, divided by n, which is 6. Okay, so now we are going to do 167 divided by 6, which you will be getting as 22 plus 27.83. So here when you add 27.83 plus 22, you will be getting your answer as 49.8. So this is how we calculate mean in both direct and indirect methods. So a recap of the formulas: if it is direct method, you will use the formula sigma x by n, and if it is indirect method, you will use the formula a plus sigma d by n. So here's the entire calculation. So here are practice problems which are related to mean individual series. The answers are given in the red ink and you can verify it by yourself. Hope you learned how to calculate mean. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Any questions posted will be answered as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.